Teatro Meno is very much related to Dr. Ricky Abad, our mentor. We learned a lot from him, the knowledge, the values, even the generosity, and even the professionalism. So I've been wanting to form a theater group ever since college pa lang ako. Sabi ko pagtanda ko gagawa na ako ng theater group. But perhaps somehow yung pagpanaw ni Dr. Ricardo Abad ang nagpabilis nito o nagpa-urgent nito. We were also thinking of uh, coming up with a theater that would promote his legacy or make this legacy known to a lot of people. And what was his legacy? Specifically, when he was our mentor, we learned the classics through him. We learned a kind of preparation in theater through him. So, and we had a kind of discipline and camaraderie that's also unique that siya ang nagpauso.